Alright! Let's give it up for Beanie! Sige, let's settle down first, everyone, before we proceed to the program. Hi, Coachella girls! Before anything else, bumati naman kayo sa ating Akari family and of course, to all the blooms that are here tonight.
2, 3, mabuhay! Hi everyone, I'm Aya. Good afternoon everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up, it's Joanna. Hi everyone, I'm Colette. Hi, I'm Maloy. What's up, it's Miko. Hi guys, I'm Sheena. Hi Blooms, I'm Stacy. And we are Beanie.
All right. Are you guys ready to be interacting with Beanie? Okay, handa na ba kayo, BT, makapaglaro sa ating mga audience tonight? Or before anything else, let's have our chairs up on the stage. Move forward lang tayo, ladies, para maayos natin ang mga upuan. Ayan. Alright, habang inaayos nila, isa namang malaking power sigaw para sa Beanie, everyone. Dahil we just received some amazing news today. Very historical news, and we'll be talking about that later. You know, I've been with Beanie since 2019. This is the first time that I'm actually hosting for them. How does it feel? Joke lang. Ayan na, ready na. Upo na tayo, Beanie. Let's go. Thank you so much. Ayan. Okay. Kuya, pakuha na po ito. Hindi ko naman po kailangang maupo. Maraming salamat. Yan. Thank you. All right. Sabi doon, Beanie goes to Coachella. Another dream manifested. Hindi ba? My God, if you really just believe that you can make it, they are the perfect proof that dreams do come true. Talaga namang inspirasyon, hindi lang para sa mga kabataan, hindi lang para sa mga Pilipino, pero sa lahat ng nangangarap sa buong mundo. Diba?
Yes, tama po.
Ay, ayan. Talagang sumagot si Joanna sa part na yan. Okay, handa na ba kayo sa ating first game?
Yeah.
Alright. Our first segment is one of the most exciting segment. It's called Fan Ask Q&A segment. Palakpakan naman natin yan. Fan Ask Q&A segment. And this is a special moment where a few lucky blooms will get the chance to personally ask Beanie some questions. All right, so we have the bowl with us. Okay. All right. Sige po. Ako po ba maghahawak? Multitasking pala ako. Saglit. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Sarah Jane. All right. Are you ready, guys, to reply to the questions to be asked? Okay, let's call our first lucky bloom tonight. Akyat na po tayo. Ayan. Anong pangalan mo, kuya, bago ang lahat? Tumabi ka sa tabi ko. Ayan. Anong pangalan mo, sir?
I'm Richard.
Ano po?
Richard.
Richard, mag-hi ka sa Beanie.
Hello. Congratulations.
Ayan. O sige, Richard, bunot ko na ng tanong mo for Beanie. And the question is, okay,
Okay, for everyone,
for everyone daw, for every single Beanie member, you have to answer this.
if you were to use the Akari Beanie fan as a microphone, can you sing one line of your favorite song?
Ay. Meron ba tayo dyang Akari fan? As a mic? Ayan, para yun ang ano nila. Alright. Anong tanong? Ulitin lang natin. If you were to use the Akari Beanie fan as a microphone, can you sing one line of your favorite song? O habang wala pa, umpisahan na natin. Who would like to go first?
Ganun na lang po.
Kapag ganon, ayan.
Thank you po for that beautiful question.
Ay.
Kakanta ko yung favorite ko, kinikilig. Kinikilig, kinikilig, kinikilig.
Hi! Palakpakan naman natin ng Stacy. Happy ka ba doon? Sasagot niya.
Of course.
Sheena.
Ano na lang, yung LSS ko ngayon, Uptown. Girl says you hallelujah. Girl says you hallelujah. Girl says you hallelujah. Uptown funk, don't give it to you.
Hi! Maganda yon sa pangalawa. Happy ka doon?
Of course.
Next. Mika.
Ako ano lang po, salamin, pero papalitan natin yung lyrics. Mahiwagang carry fan. Bakit ready yung sagot? Ready kasi sagot mo.
Okay. Happy ka doon? Mas maganda may effect ito. Gamitin mong mic, Joanna. Ayan.
Since may natanggap tayong magandang balita kanina, thank you, Lord.
Sobra! Woo!
Kantahin natin yung sa lagi. Sa Luzon, Visayas pa, sa Coachella kaya!
Woo! Yes!
Ako, hala, ayan na, papalapit ka, ang daming ko'y di maipit, ang puso ko'y sasabog na. Sa isang tabi. Yes? Kinikilig, puso'y pumipitig, hindi mo ba naririnig? Kinikilig, baby.
Alright. Colette.
Ako po, wait. Ano na? Dahan-dahan lang buhay ay di karera. Ang sweet. Cute. Sa akin, huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Yun. Kasi feel na feel ko yung O eh. Oh!
Sa akin, karera din. And, well, kasi nostalgic, I'm here, my school.
School niya po kasi
Na-
po.
Ano sabi dyan?
So, kaya karera din.
Go.
So, part ko, walang masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi ka mamitis. Yung malalim lang at tandaan, kay may hawak ng iyong akbang.
Yan! Thank you so much, ladies. Are you happy with that, Richard?
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much for nanalo natin si Richard. Thank you so much. Can we have our next fan, please? What's your name?
Nico po. Charot.
Ano daw? Nico daw. Nico yung name niya, Nico. Alright. Nico, bunot ka na. Alright, Nico, what is the question?
This question is all for Beanie members. Pretend the fan is a camera. Strike your best pose. All right.
Pretend that that fan, is a camera. Strike your best pose. Siguro parang selfie ang atake. Alright, let's start with Maria Queen.
I go to pose.
Let's go.
Newton pose.
Ayan. Happy ka doon? Nakita mo ba? Doon ka pumesto para yan. Next, Gwen. Hey.
Hey! Ako din yung go-to ko. Dapat naka-up
Taas
yung
dapat.
Tapos nakaganit.
Ah. Maloy. Ay.
Ano tawag dun? Roar.
Dami anggur.
Ako,
Dami
kailangan,
anggur.
yes, kailangan ni Angel mo kasi di.
Next, Mika.
Sa baba naman tayo sa lahat kayo
Ay.
Nasa baba.
Lower ang atake. Alright, Sheena. Okay. And of course, last but not least, Stacy, Princess. Pagilid. Alright, thank you so much. Happy ka ba doon, Nico? Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuya Nico.
Next fan, please. What's your name?
Angel po.
Angel. Alright, Angel. What is the question? Diba sabi, Beanie Stacy, sabi, nakalagay oh. Beanie Stacy, ang tanong mo for Beanie Stacy,
Okay, for Beanie Stacy, what's your hidden talent that fans may not know yet?
Hidden talent that fans may not know yet.
Ito hindi talaga nila alam. Kaya kong patunugin yung paa ko. Anong tawag sa...
Knuckles?
Kasi yung mga, yun. Kaya kong patunugin siya anytime. Gusto mo sample?
Pero sample?
Pwede na ba?
I-videohan ko na lang. Send ko
Okay.
sa
Upload mo na lang. Okay, thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Stacy. Next question, please, from our next fan. What's your name?
Chris po.
Chris. Hi, Chris. Hello, Beanie. Yes, Chris.
Kinikilabutan ako.
Natakot ka sa kanila. Okay lang, mababait yan.
Nanginginig pa ako. Hello, girls.
Hi po!
Before I ask the question, by the way, congratulations.
Salamat po.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Bias po siya? Bias daw niya. Bias niya. Bias niya to.
Bini Maloy!
Timalon!
Ante Maloy, if the Akari Bini fan could talk, what would it say to Blooms?
Kung nakakapagsalita ang Akari Bini fan. Pabigay nga, Stacy, ang Akari Bini fan. Kung nakakapagsalita siya, ano ang sasabihin niya sa mga Blooms?
Tinulungan ako ni Mika.
Ay.
Yun yung sabihin ko. Blooms, kailangan niyo ko. Anywhere, anytime, everywhere, and anytime. Paulit-ulit. Basta kailangan niyo ko, yun ang sabihin ng Akari fan sa Blooms. So, dapat, lagi niyo siyang dalain, dapat meron kayo always. Okay?
Yes! Meron ba kayo? Ayan, meron siya!
Very good.
Thank you so
Sobrang
much.
galing mo.
Maraming salamat. Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. For our next fan. Okay. Na meron siyang content creator siya kasi meron siyang mic. What's your name?
My name is Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Bunot na, Jeffrey.
Pwede po magpa-birthday greeting. Birthday ko po ngayon.
Oh, wow!
Happy birthday po! Happy birthday!
Yan. So, my question is for Beanie Mika. What do you want Blooms to remember about Beanie 10 years from now?
Wow.
Wow. I'm so nervous naman. I think I would want Blooms to remember the authenticity that Beanie has and the joy and the pride we bring and that we are just honest to ourselves and we want to normalize that idols aren't just perfect people, that we're all human. Yes. And yes, and of course our songs, our bubblegum pop songs, and that we are a group that explores. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Are you happy with that answer?
Yes po.
Thank you po.
Sobrang thank you.
Once again, maligayang kaarawan ang iswerte mo today. Alright, next fan, please. Ay, doon galing. O sige, halika sir. Pupuntahan ko ba siya doon? Pupunta kami doon? Okay, pupuntahan kita. Yan. Kulit, tatawag ka kulit. Sir, what's your name?
John.
Jan. Okay, Jan. What's your question for Beanie?
Beanie Sheena. My question is for Beanie Sheena.
Beanie Sheena.
If you had to pick a Beanie song that matches the Akari Beanie fan, which one would it be? Sing some lines.
Medyo pressure.
Feeling ko with this fan,
Yes.
pantropiko kasi it's blue. Bawat araw mas sumasaya.
Ayun. Tuloy mo kaya?
Ano tuloy ko? Yes.
So, pantropiko.
Yes,
Palakpakan naman natin si Beanie Sheena. Thank you so much, Jan. Maraming salamat. Do you have more? Yes. Can we have our next fan, please? What's your name?
Cristel.
Crystal, this is your bowl for the questions. Okay pa ba ka dyan, Beanie?
Yes!
Yes! Okay
Hindi
naman.
po, kaya po
Okay.
yan. Yes.
To Beanie Colette, which Beanie song is your personal favorite to perform live?
Personal Beanie song favorite Beanie song to perform live.
Shucks, ang dami kong faith. Out of my head. Kasi gusto ko yung vocal.
Sample po.
Uy! Sample na! Sample. Ano ang kantang yun? Charing lang.
Out of my
Grabe, ang lamig. Yung host ang mamaya na.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ganda mo daw. Thank you, Crystal. Up next. How many more do we have? Sige, akat ka muna dito. What's your name?
Franz po.
Franz. All right, Franz. Okay.
This question is for all Beanie members po. Among the Akari Beanie fans, which is your favorite model and why?
Favorite, sorry,
Model.
model.
Favorite model among the Akari Beanie fans?
Sa akin, sige. Yung purple nito na bloom fan. Yeah, I saw it last time.
Purple. All right. Maloy.
Ako yung, anong tawag doon? Yung parang naiikot yung mismong loob ng fan. Kasi pwede siya, parang 360 siya. Parang pwede sa harap ko, tapos pwede sa harap. Sa harap ko, tapos pwede sa akin.
Okay.
Ako yung smallest na fan. May na-shoot tayo na din. Pinakamaliit. Sobrang
Ako meron
maliit
like
dalhin.
Convenient.
Yes.
Yung nababali yung liig. Yung nagagano.
Nababali.
Mabali yung leeg.
Oo, kasi nalalagay siya sa maliit na ano. Parang kinikiliti yung...
Yes, Mika.
Mine is the one they gave us, like personalized siya. So my name siya na Mika and all of our names. Yeah, I use it pang skincare.
Totoo, ako din.
Ako po, same with Ate Jo, yung pinakamaliit nila kasi pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere.
Okay. And of course, Stacy.
Same with Mika po, yung may name po namin sa fan. Ang cute kasi personalized din yung colors na binigay for us. Yeah.
All right. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, Akari.
All right. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Jorel.
Joren. All right, Joren. Please pick your question. This is for...
My question is for Beanie Gwen. If you weren't an idol, what do you think you'd be doing it right now?
Siguro, kasi late ko na-realize na gusto ko ng interior designing.
Wow!
Lately lang. Pero syempre kung nakapag-school ako, siguro natapos ko flight attendant. And kung magkakaroon man ako ng mga gig, siguro sa modeling po.
Model na flight attendant na. Nag-interior design.
Ang dami.
Oo, maganda yon. Happy ka naman doon sa sagot.
Siyempre, looking forward to that.
Thank you po. Sana.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
And of course, our next. Who's our next? Ayan. Hi, what's your name? KD. KD. All right, KD, please pick your question.
Hi, KD.
Hi. Hi. There you go. Okay, no problem. Sino daw yung nag-hi sa kanya? Maloy.
Bias ko po siya.
Oh, bias daw niya si Maloy.
To Beanie Joanna, who usually makes the group laugh the most during practice?
Si Bebe. As in, everyday. Kaya ramdam mo pag wala siya sa training.
Si Gwen na, Bebe.
Bebe Sheena. Ay, dalawa na. Bebe She.
Dalawa
Looms,
kami.
gets nyo naman ako, di ba? Tignan nyo lang si Bebe She, matatawa na kayo. Right? Tsaka yung mga hirit niya talagang on point eh. Ang galing. Totoo. Ang galing. Ang galing na bata
Hirit mo sa amin ni Stako.
Ha?
For us, ikaw ang funniest.
Aww!
Hi.
So yung sagot ko, Bebe She.
Bebe Sheena daw. Happy ka na doon? Thank you so much. Thank you, KD.
Thank you, KD.
And of course,
Thank
our
you.
last fan to be asking a question. What's your name?
Shelemaya po.
Shelemaya.
Taray, parang may-ari ng lupain.
Ay.
May-ari ng warehouse.
Oh.
May-ari ka daw ng warehouse?
Shalimaya
May-ari
Enterprises.
ka ng warehouse? May-ari ka daw ng warehouse? Ay.
Eksakto, Biniaya.
Payas mo yan?
Opo. To Biniaya, what lessons do you learn from fans every time you meet them?
Wow. Every time I meet our blooms, I always learn how to be grateful more and more. Kasi without you guys, wala din kami dito. Kaya thank you so much to all the blooms who are here today.
Yes. Are you happy? All right. Thank you so much, Shelemaya. And of course, maraming salamat. Palakpakan natin ng Beanie for answering the amazing questions. How are you feeling? feeling right now, Beanie? Hype pa ba?
Yes!
Gusto niyo ba uminom ng tubig or anything?
Gusto na po namin maglaro ulit.
Maglaro.
Yes.
Dahil dyan, we will proceed to our next game right away. Let's stand up for now and kindly remove the chairs at the back. Pwede na po natin tanggalin yung mga upuan sa likod. Maraming pong salamat. Thank you. We will be proceeding to our next game right away. Okay. Habang nagtatanggal tayo ng mga upuan, konting cheer naman dyan for Beanie, guys. Sino dito yung mga first time makita si Beanie in person? Taas ng kamay. Marami-rami din. Anong feeling masilayan to be in the presence of Beanie? Nakaka-bless, di ba? Parang #blessed. Alright. Hintayin lang natin si Joanna. Alright, thank you everyone. Now we will proceed to our next game, which is called Fast Talk. Gusto niyo ba magpa-fast talk sa Beanie?
Yes.
Alright, pero hindi to basta-basta fast talk. Beanie, alam niyo yung game sa TikTok, yung parang may dalawang choices, either you go left or right?
Yes.
Okay, so di ba nakapila kayo doon? Pumila na muna kayo. Tapos, I will be giving you options. According to height daw, Maloy.
Naka-boots lang sila.
Ayan.
Oh! Ayaw nila magpasingit.
Alright. Okay, so magbibigay ako ng options. It's either left side or right side. Carrie?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes, minsan, I will be asking you kung bakit yun yung sagot nyo, but not all the time, okay?
Okay.
Alright. First options. First set of options. Maloy, nakikinig ka ba? Okay. Sa left side, singing. Right side, dancing. Ay. Ay. Ay! Wait lang! Pinabalik ko na ba kayo?
Excited!
Pinabalik na kayo sa mga pwesto nyo.
Bebe!
Okay. Uy, it's a tie! Hating-hati! Dahil vocal line tsaka dance line ba ang atake nito? Alright, mukhang given naman, no? Medyo gets naman natin sila. Okay ba? Okay, palakpakan naman natin Beanie for our first. Ay, ito pala! Bakit baliktad? Baliktad!
Okay.
Baliktad. Dito pala yung singing, dito yung dancing. Alright. Yan. Okay, there. Alright, palakpakan natin Beanie for our first option. Let's go back to our line. Alright, next question. Coffee or milk tea? Coffee or milk tea? Coffee here, milk tea sa kabila. Coffee here, milk tea over there. Coffee dito.
Tubig daw si Joe. Walang choice si tubig.
Ay,
Milk tea ka, Jo.
dalawa lang kayo.
Milk tea ka. Sinungaling. Milk tea.
Milk tea ka, be.
Bakit mo sila kinuha?
Kaya nga.
Hindi ka naman nagkakape.
Lagi kang
Ano ba? Ipaliwanag mo ko
Yung, yung, mapili po kasi ako sa kape. Ang kape ko lang is, Nescafe.
Dapat ganun. Ako din po, ma-milk tea. Nalilito nga din ako eh. Pero sige, milk tea na lang. For
Milk
now.
tea.
Occasionally na yung coffee.
Parang di naman kayo tumalaki kahit nagmi-milk tea kayo.
Wala po sugar.
Anong klaseng milk tea? Anong flavor? Okinawa.
Ba't ka ba nakatalikod sa kanila?
No sugar?
Hindi ko kayo. Ano po kami, 100% sugar po. Totoo po. Tapos, dapat 60% na pearls.
Oo, halos
Yung papununan na yung baso.
Oh my God! O kayo naman. Anong klaseng kape? Nescafe, of course. Pero anong klase? Ano?
Black.
Black.
Yes. 3-in-1.
Latte.
Mga latte po.
Mga latte, ikaw.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel.
Siguro, Americano or macchiato.
Ay, macchiato. Alright. Now, ladies, let's go back to our line. Next. Sneakers or heels? Sneakers or heels? Let's go.
Charis, dito ako.
Hala, si Princess!
Mariah Queen.
Lalang.
Siya lang.
Lalang po talagang may
Why do you
kaya.
prefer heels over sneakers?
It makes me feel confident. Basta mag-heels po. Yes. And kasi lagi na kaming naka-shoes pag nag-training. So, when, if may rest days, tapos, pero hindi naman yung super taas.
Gaano kataas ang heels na kaya mong irampa?
Kahit sayawin ko pa, 5 inches.
5 inches? Kaya mo?
No, I've danced before na 4 inches yata.
Dance?
Yeah.
Wow.
Basta comfy po siya.
Iba rin naman talaga kapag beauty queen,
I love
no?
it.
Iba rin talaga. Alright. Kayo, sneakers kayo dyan?
Yes.
Alright. Thank you so much, ladies. Let's go back to our
Alright.
next round.
Alright.
Next. Night owl or early bird? Night owl or early bird? Sino yung malaging mas gising sa gabi at sino yung maagang gumising?
Paano pag di po natutulog? Yung diretso na.
Hindi naman ako early.
Makulit.
Early ba ako? Actually, hindi
Sabay
ko
ba
alam.
kayo gumigising? Bakit ganun? Bakit? Bakit kayo early bird?
Actually, nalilito po ako. Early bird ba ako? Parang namang...
Anong oras ka gumigising? Normally.
Depende sa schedule.
O, kung depende sa schedule.
7.
AM.
8.
Ikaw.
Siguro ganun. 7 or 8.
Sabay nga kami talaga mag-isip.
Wow!
Nagbi-video call ka din. Sleep on call.
Nag-video kayo sa umaga?
Sleep on call pala.
Kayo, anong oras naman kayo natutulog? Anong
Si
oras?
Gwen po mga 3 AM, nagpa-party pa kasi po siya.
Anong oras?
Bebe, 3.
3 a.m.?
Sila na nag-decide for me.
Oh my God! Kayo, anong oras kayo matulog?
Max ko 3. 3 po.
3 a.m.?
Pero pag kasama family, 5. Kaya ko.
5 a.m.?
Yes. Tapos gising ka ulit ng 8. Ganon.
Ay, wow.
Yes.
Bata pa kasi kayo. Sisingilin din kayo ng katawan nyo. Kayo, ikaw, Mika.
Ako, actually, mas maaga na akong matulog kay Jo.
Mga
Yeah. And pero same kami ni Shi. Pag nakikita ko na hindi na siya nag-phone, matutulog na rin ako.
So, mga what time?
Like, max ko 2.
Wow.
Tapos, tulog ako like 12 na or less.
Alam ba naman coach nyo yan?
Oo.
Basta magtatrabaho ka the next day.
Doesn't matter. How about
Apo.
you guys? What time do you sleep normally?
Ako, latest 5 a.m. Ganun kasi hirap talaga. Oo, hirap talaga ako makatulog. Pero nagigising naman ako on time.
Depende po. Kasi pag knockout po. Pero usually, late din.
May mga 2.
Pero pag mga 12, nafe-feel ko na, 11, 12, nafe-feel ko na antok
11,
po ako.
12.
Opo.
Sige. Alright. Thank you so much, ladies. Let's go back to our positions. Alright. Next options. Beach or mountains? Beach or mountain? Beach here, mountain there.
I'm gonna stay here with you.
What?
I'm gonna stay here.
You don't want to choose?
Oh my God, I like both po.
Ah!
Yes.
Bakit ganito? Wala. Bakit? Anong
both
sagot?
pala.
Bakit nasa gitna lang kayo?
We can't choose. Gusto ko po both talaga.
Ayun, you want both. Ikaw, Maloy, anong pinaglalaban natin dyan? Ano mukha mo? To be fair, So kayo, nasa gitna kayo kasi wala kayong mapili.
Yes.
Okay. How about our beach babes?
Gusto rin po niya gumitna. So,
O sige,
punta
gitna ka na.
Thank you.
Kayo mga beach. Bakit beach?
Kasi ayoko pala ng beach. Parang I love summer, gano'n. Tapos yung mga outfit, ganyan na very beach outfits, shorts, mga long skirts.
Alam ko na, yung mga Ilocana yung namili ng beach.
Yes! I
Diba?
love beach.
Mahilig ang mga Ilocano sa beach eh. Okay? Kayo walang option? Bakit naman mountain? Bakit naman mountain?
Feeling ko makakapag-unwind ako dun. Yeah.
Nakapag-hiking na ba kayo
Hindi
sa
pa nga
mountain?
eh.
Saan? Saan?
Mount Makiling!
I was gonna say.
Yes, mga taga Calamba, Laguna! Yeah.
May mga taga Laguna ba dito?
Wala talaga. Nagtaas lang sila ng kamay.
So we have 2 for the mountain, 4 no option, no choice, and 2 for the beach. All right. Next, let's move to our next option.
All right!
All right. Quiet fan or turbo fan? Turbo. Quiet or turbo fan? Quiet fan, turbo fan.
Quiet siya na to.
Turbo fan. Kanina pa ako dito. Kanina pa
Ay,
ako dito.
natin. Bakit quiet? Ay, ayan. Bakit quiet fan?
Quiet fan kasi... Bakit, bebe? Bakit quiet fan? Silent but deadly daw po.
Pwede naman, posible.
Yes. Ito yung ano, di ba? Quiet fan is mahina.
Hindi, walang tunog.
Walang tunog. Walang tunog.
Paano pag naka-turbo
Turbo
pero quiet?
Pero quiet. Walang ganong option. Saring lang. Hanap.
Tanong at si Akari. Let's ask. Pero
Quiet.
kayo quiet fan kayo.
Yes,
Alright.
quiet fan.
Kayo, bakit naman turbo fan?
Ako kunwari iniisip ko pag matutulog, mas nakakatulog ako pag may white noise. Ayoko ng as in tahimik lang. Gusto ko may white noise konti.
Okay.
Yeah. So turbo fan para marinig ko yung fan. Zzz. Ganun.
Ako gusto ko lang ng sobrang lamig. That's why I wanted strong. Kasi
Right.
mainitin ako eh.
Mainitin ka.
Yeah.
You get hot easily.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How about you, Stacy?
Same kay Ate Maloy po. Mahilig din po ako sa may ingay kapag natutulog. Pero yung hindi naman super ingay. Like yung naririnig, kung may naririnig lang, mas comfortable ako pag ganun po.
Okay, alright. Ladies, can you go back to your place? Pero, ito hindi na siya options. For our last question, I will be asking you one word to describe Akari. Malon. Bida-bida ka eh, nanguna ka. One word to describe Akari. One word.
Ay, ito pala. One word. It's convenient.
Wow! Thank you so much. Contestant
Thank you.
number 1,
Convenient.
Maloy.
Cool.
Cool. All right.
Po, friendly.
Friendly. All right. Mika.
Unique.
Quality. Essential.
Essential.
Helpful.
Helpful. And of course, last but not the least, one word to describe Akari.
Aesthetic.
Guys, let's give Beanie a round of applause. Palakpakan naman natin. Sobrang game ng Beanie. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating option game?
Yes, opo.
Gusto niyo pa ba maglaro?
Yes, opo.
Gusto niyo bang sumayaw?
Agoy.
Ay,
Nag-isip. Yes,
gusto niyo bang sumayaw, Beanie?
Yes!
Gusto niyo bang sumayaw? Blooms. Alright. Because up next, get ready for a fun and exciting game kung saan ang mga masaswerteng Blooms ay makikipagsayawan with Beanie. Alright. For this round, each Beanie member will be paired with a lucky fan. Nasaan ang mga lucky fans natin? Let's go! Pumila na dito. Together, sila ay magsasayaw ng TikTok dance trends. Okay. Ready na ba tayo? Alam na ba nila kung sino ang partners nila? O ako pa mamimili? Alright, let's call on our first fan. Let's go. Alright. Can we have all of the fans on stage? Alright. Okay na po ba? Ready na? Alright. Let's call the first fan on stage.
Daming kids.
Do we have 8 people here already? Alright, sige. Ate, what's your name?
Denise.
Okay, Denise. Alright, sige. Basically, alright, to our blooms, dito kayo sa harapan ng Beanie. Pila lang kayo dyan. Alright, pila kayo dyan. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, dahil nakatalikod kayo, punta kayo sa harapan. Lapit kayo. Forward, forward. My loves, forward, forward. And our beautiful Beanie members will be picking their partners. Let's go! Pick na kayo ng partner nyo. Let's go. Sino sa'yo, Mika? Ako na lang. Ayaw nila eh. Hindi, joke. Ikaw sa'yo, siya kasi kuya. Okay, alright. Okay. Ha? Ay, alright. Okay, ready na ba tayo sa mga partners natin?
Yeah.
Aya, what's the name? Please introduce to us the name of your partner.
Hello, everybody. This is my partner, Colleen.
Woo! Palakpakan naman natin, guys!
Yes! For Colleen, guys. Round of applause.
Staku, what's the name of your partner?
Give it up for Denise!
Gwen.
Hi, everyone. My partner is Scarlett.
Colette.
Hi, guys. Meet my partner. This is Bea.
Kala ko Sheena.
Oh, hindi pa Sheena.
Kala ko Sheena yung partner mo. Sheena.
Hi guys, meet my partner, Eunice. Yes.
Joanna.
My partner is baby,
Scarlett.
Yeah.
Mika.
My partner is Jazz.
Jazz. And of course, Maloy.
This is Mars. Shout out to Akari Volleyball Team.
All right. So, basically, again, just to remind everyone, what we're gonna do is each pair, bawat partner ay magsasayaw ng mga sikat na TikTok dance trends. Parang redundant yung sinabi ko. Magsasayaw ng mga TikTok na sikat na ganyan. Pero, ang catch, hindi nila alam ang kasayawin nila. Ipi-play na lang, tapos, bala na si Batman. Diba?
Yeah.
Balikan nyo na lang, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Ready na ba tayo mga blooms? Blooms, are you ready? All right. Beanie, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's start with our first pair, Maloy. Oh, Maloy, sa harapan kayo, Maloy. Ayan!
If you like me, blink twice. Are you not?
Woo! Blooms, galingan nyo because at the end of this game, palakasan ng pala. Pagalingan ng sayaw, palakasan ng palakpak. Okay?
Yeah.
Next pair. Sheena. Grabe yun! Grabe yun! Grabe yun! Na-pressure ba tayo ng
At
onte?
dyan nagtatapos ang game na to. Maraming salamat po sa panonood.
Parang ayaw, pakitanggal na po ako sa listahan ng videoke. Ganun yung levels, di ba? Next, nako. At dahil sinabi mo yan, up next, Bini Joanna.
Kaya na ni Scarlett yan, bebe. Dalhin mo si ate, ha? Kaya mo na to, ha? Okay, let's go. Let's go, Scarlett! Galing natin! Grabe!
Joanna, parang binuhat ka ni Scarlett,
Opo!
ah.
Mas alam niya yung talagang mga TikTok dance trends.
Parang siyang ano, ah. Galing, galing. Nakaka-pressure, nakaka-pressure. Alright.
Galing. Cute.
Next, we have Mika.
Okay, we can do it. We can do it.
You can, you can.
We can do it. Come here.
Hey!
Yeah! Hey!
Ba't di naman ako pinahirapan?
Alright, thank you so much, Mika. Up next. Oh. Gwen. Gwen, it's your turn. Let's go.
Grabe naman. Grabe.
Guys, exit na kami. Hip-hop.
Nakakabigla. Okay pa naman kayo dyan. Okay naman kayo dyan.
Okay naman. Ang lamig.
Kaya nga isang note pa lang, talagang bigay na, no? Alright.
Ang gagaling ng mga bata po ngayon, Miss Kring, no?
Oo, iba.
Ano
Iba
lang.
lang talaga.
Pero dapat feeling ko mag-sample ka. Jaring
Hindi, okay naman ako. Naka-midrib nga ako eh. Okay, next. We have Aya. Aya. Let's go. O, binistida tayo ni ate. Nakadress siya dyan.
Nag-aantay ko mga lakas kung pangakimuta kay Mase. Ano ba? Naman. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy ka. Pwede ba? Huwag kang nang magrama. Huwag nang paligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy ka.
Wow! Dinaan tayo sa ganda. Ganon. Ginanda
Ang ganda.
lang. Wala. Yun yung ano na, ganda-ganda, ganon. Next. Colette.
Agoy na. Diyos
Okay.
ko, Lord. Bahala na.
Alright, alright.
Bahala na si Darna.
Oy! Hey!
Ang galing ni Sheena! Ay, akala ko sa'yo.
Bakit parang putol? Sayang naman.
Oo, sige ka, kayong dalawa. Kayong dalawa, bebe.
Totoo. ka! Ako partner mo! Hindi, sige, kayo dalawa.
Teka, anong sayaw? Anong sayaw? What do you
Yan,
want?
yan.
Anong gusto mo?
Soda pop.
Soda pop?
Pinaka-full mo, Ay, hindi ko alam. Ay,
Taray,
Kasi may golden?
daw.
Golden na sayaw, ah.
May request
Sayaw
po,
na.
may request.
Bandila na ba?
Bini na lang. Anong bini?
Agoy! Pantropico
Okay,
dance.
ano ba tayo dyan? Pantropico dance break? Nag-request po sila ng Pantropico dance break?
Ito po, yung...
Alin po
May
doon?
Pantropico dance break ba?
Alin doon? Yung World Tour daw po na
World Tour version.
Biniverse.
Ang taray.
Biniverse specific. Pantropico dance break, Biniverse World Tour version.
Sheena laban kay Sheena, ganon.
Sarili laban sa sarili. Self versus
Nag-wig
self.
ka? Oh my God, naka-wig siya.
Ako din.
Ay, ikaw din.
Joke lang, totoo.
Okay na po ba? Ready na po? Meron po ba tayo nun? Kung wala, ako kakanta.
Okay na daw.
Okay, buti meron.
Mapa-full out.
Stand by. And 3, 2, and
Let's go!
Cue!
Ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinatama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good.
Okay, ito na lang.
Magmula nang nakita ka, lubang wala ng pangangamba. Pag-ibig kapiling na, feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko.
Alright! Hindi man siya dance break, pero napagbigyan ka ate. Maraming salamat. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, ate.
Stacy, okay? Gusto mo ba sumayaw?
Yes!
Oh,
Of
iba na naman.
course! Let's go,
Alright,
baby girl!
let's go! Stacy!
Push the stars. Pushing on my buttons, no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we going, pick a destination. Gas me up.
Give me motivation na. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation.
Ang bongga, labanan kayo ng boots, bebe. Ay, socks pala.
Ano, Shaggy D? Shaggy D daw po sabi ni
Shaggy D
Baby
gusto
Denise.
Ay, namili. Shaggy di daw. Okay.
Okay. Gusto mo solo? Solo ka? Solo. Shaggy D. Okay, so taga saan ka? Let's go, bebe!
What's that?
Ay, sorry.
You ain't sick of me.
Oh! Alam ko yung first verse!
But I'm 1, 2, 3.
Rotate that body.
Then touch
Let's go! Let's go, bebe!
My gosh. Like OMG. Shaggity, shaggity, shabba. 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 Shaggity, shaggity, shabba.
Hey!
Now do my dance. Now do my dance. Now do my dance.
Thank you!
Alright, thank you so much! Now, ang paghukom, we will find out kung sino ang team, ang pair na nagustuhan ng audience by cheering the loudest for them. Let's start with the team of Maloy!
Guys, yung ka-team niya, sumigaw kayo.
Oo nga.
Isa pa po, isa pa.
O, isa pa daw, Team of Maloy. Mali. Ganun talaga eh.
3 lang kasi sila eh.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay lang.
Kaya talaga. Alright, next.
Okay lang, okay lang.
The team
Wag na.
of Mika.
Wag na. Wag na.
Hoy. Oo.
Oh, wait lang ah. Wala muna. Pagbilang kong 3.
The team of Joanna.
1, 2, 3! Say Scarlet!
Alright. The team of Sheena. Malakas din. Malakas din. Malakas din. Okay? Alright, malakas din. Sheena and Scar. Team of Colette.
Sheena to ah. Papalabisin ko kayo, hindi kayo cheer. Yan. Tama yan.
Team of Gwen.
Hindi, isa pa. Hindi ako papayag. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3!
Team of Stacy.
Woo! Ibibigay ka ng libreng ticket. Go! Thank you.
And of course, Team of Aya. Ayon sa aking sensory analysis, parang malakas ang Team of Joanna and Sheena. O, dito kayo sa harapan. Joanna and Sheena.
Grabe si Joanna. Wala yung ambag si Ate Jo.
Yan.
Dance off.
Okay.
Dance off daw.
Quiet on the set muna tayo. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Alright. Papasigawin, papacheck ulit kayo, ha? Nasaan ang fans ng Team Joanna? Okay. Okay. Occur. Team Sheena.
Ala, pagbigyan nyo na yung bata. Sa time! Or dance off daw.
O, dance off daw. Dance off. Dance off. Request.
Pero
dance
silang
off.
dalawa. Dance off po, Ate Jotas siya.
Coach Mickey, dance off daw.
Dance off daw.
Labas na tayo dyan ng music. Go!
Like Jenny po. Jenny, alam
Like Jenny daw, like
Go.
Jenny.
Jenny, alam mo, bebe. Huwag ka papatang.
Like Jenny.
Hindi. Competitive
And
ba yung sinabi ko? Huwag mo nang
3, 2,
galingan.
and go!
Galingan mo, be. 5, 6, 7,
Like Jenny. And 3, 2, and play!
Like it's tipsy. Don't burst, take it to the chorus. Wanna rock with Jenny. Keep your head down, nails done like Jenny. I was I'm obsessed like Jenny. Like Jenny. Jenny. I think I really like Jenny. Haters that don't really like Jenny. Cause they can never ever be Jenny. But have you ever met Jenny? It's Jenny. But have you ever met?
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Alright. Nakarating po sa akin ang balita mula sa kinauukulan dahil parehong magaling si Starlet at Eunice. It's a tie! Congratulations! Congratulations! You both won a Carry Products! Maraming salamat and of course, congratulations and thank you so much to all of the fans, the Blooms who participated with us. Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin sila, everyone. Thank you. Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Ready na ba yung next player? Next player? Bini, napagod ba kayo? Napagod ba kayo?
Kaya pa po.
Kaya pa.
Yes.
Kayo, kaya pa ba?
Ay, parang mahina na yung energy. Kaya nyo pa ba? Yan!
Yan. Dahil kung kanina, sila ay sumayaw isa-isa, ngayon naman sila ay sasayaw as a team. Dahil tayo ay maglalaro ng Shaggy Shapopo. Alright, we will have 2 teams composed of 4 Beanie members and 4 fans each team. Alright? Maghatian na kayo. Sinong gusto nyo ka-partner? Ayan. Team A and Team B. Paakyatin na natin ang mga fans. Mga blooms na kasama sa larong Shaggy D. Let's go! Pila lang kayo. Dito na kayo. Wait lang, dito ka. Dito. Ay, wait lang, dito ka. Ayan, dito kayo. Sa harapan kayo. Alright! Nahati na natin ang Team A and Team B. And of course, bago ang lahat, who would like to go first? Sino ang team na gustong mauna?
Sila po.
Sheena? Colette? Sino mauna?
Yung
Ano?
Yung pinakamatanda, yung pinakaate.
Bato ba topic kaya? Alright, bato ba topic, Sheena and Colette? Okay.
OG ship.
Okay. Panalo sila, Sheena. So, gusto niyo pangalawa kayo?
Yes po.
Okay, kayo ang mauuna. Tayo ay gumilid muna. Beanie and friends. Yan. Alright, pila tayo dito. Alam niyo naman yung konsepto ng Shaggy di ba? Alright. Ang gawin natin, alternate. Colette, sa gitna ni Colette, anong pangalan mo, my love?
Joanna po.
Ay, hello, babe.
Colette,
Katakaya.
Joanna. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo, my love?
Gel.
Jazz.
Gel.
Jen. Alright, my love?
Evelyn.
Evan and?
Jermaine.
Jervain. Okay. So for this group, ang leader ay si Colette.
Agoy, palang ako po gagawa ng step.
Oo.
Hala, hindi ako funny. Si Stacy na lang po.
Stacy,
Hindi
alright.
ako funny.
Team Stacy, ikaw ang gagawa ng first step. Gagayahin ng lahat hanggang matapos. Okay? Dalawang ways para manalo. Una, wala kayong mali. Lahat nakukuha. Second, pinakamalakas na palakpak. Alright? So ready na ba tayo dyan? Please guys, i-cheer nyo sila habang sumasayaw sa kanilang mga dance steps. Shaggy D. Alright, ready na ba kayo, Team Stacy?
Yes!
Ready na ba mga blooms? Alright, let's proceed to our first team. Let's go! Wait lang. Cut, direct cut. Joanna, kaya today?
Kaya po, kaya.
Kinakabahan lang, kinakabahan.
Nakatingin ka lang kay Stacy Forever. Okay? Nakatingin lang kayo sa katabi ninyo. Alright.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Go!
One more time.
Di mo kaya to, sisimplihan ko pa para makagaya ka. Kasi magsinimula na isusundan na, but I bet you can dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Hop foot rock and I drop real quick. Go ahead to the right, then left and then rotate that body. Go put it
Nawawala na kami.
Palakpakan naman natin sila.
Yes! Palakpak naman dyan! Alright! Hi, partner.
They tried their very best. Okay, tabi muna tayo dyan, Team Stacy. Now let's proceed to our next team. Sinong leader ninyo?
Cheetah!
Ay,
Alternate tayo, alternate.
alternate. Okay. What's your name?
Rachel.
Rachel. How about you?
Hershey po.
Hershey. Okay, how about you?
Faye po.
Faye, and how about you?
Mayang po.
Ayan, all right. Are you guys ready? Team Sheena, are you ready?
Yes!
Yes, okay. Let's go!
Dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did.
Leader namin yung nalilito. Nalilito ako.
Direct muna tayo.
Nalilito din.
Kaya ba? Gusto niyo
Isa
ng
pa
isa
po.
pa?
Opo,
Isa pa.
kaya
Sige.
po yun.
Nagpalit sila ng leader.
Sige.
Simplihan niyo
Sige.
lang kasi gumaganong-ganon pa kayo eh. Pinakasimple. Hindi na nga umabot dun sa kalamayan eh. Umabot ba kalamayan? Hindi
Very
umabot
fast.
eh.
Medyo.
Alright, ready? Joanna. Team Joanna, ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Baka di po nila alam yung rules ng Shaggy.
Okay, so ang Shaggy, di nilalaro ito sa paraang...
Ano gusto mangyari? nangyari, Joanna? How do you want to proceed with this?
Ang Shaggy di kasi iba sa freestyle. Ang Shaggy di...
Ito na, nagpalit na sila.
Ayan! May palabas tayo. Daming thing.
Pagbigyan natin.
Oo.
Okay lang ba? One more pa?
One more. One last
Baka
chance.
naman.
Yes.
Baka naman makuha na nila.
Oo, kayo nga nagbibigay ng chance sa maling tao. Tapos...
Bakit 3 beses sila naglaro?
Joke lang. Joke lang. Okay, game.
Wow. Okay, sige, let's
Okay.
go.
Sorry guys, na-pressure lang siya. Peer pressure.
Ako sa'yo, lahat di mo kaya to. Sisimplihan ko pa para makagaya ka. Kesa magsinimula na isusundan na. But I bet you can dance like this.
Wala na. Wala talaga kahit ano.
Wait lang, ba't may na-skip?
Wala na, parang
Hindi
last
pa nga
chance na yun, Joanna. Sige.
Nakakalito pala siya.
Napagbigyan na kayo, enough.
Opo,
O, dito muna kayo sa side na to.
Okay na yun.
At papapiliin natin ang ating audience kung sino between Team Joanna and Team Stacy ang mas mahusay at
Parang
mas
walang
magaling.
winner.
Dapat kayo according to the ladies. Yan. Alright. Dito kayo na, kahapin kayo. Alright, guys. Sino ang sang-ayon na mas magaling? Ang Team Stacy.
Thank you for that wonderful clap, everyone. Thank you so much.
How about Team Joanna?
So, kanino yung iba? Kaninong iba?
Yung iba.
Dito lang, sobrang lakas ng energy dito. I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Teka lang. Akala ko ba dito?
Saglit. Ulitin natin, ha? Team Stacy. Team Joanna.
Yeah! All right!
Kahit mali-mali, kahit talaga namang hindi na-achieve hanggang dulo, dinaan nyo sa charms,
Yes.
tsaka sa personality.
Yes.
And for that, our winner is Team Joanna.
Yes! All right! Thank you.
Congratulations to our Team Joanna participants. You may get your Akari prizes.
Meron niyang fan at saka birth certificate.
Marami pong salamat.
With
Of course,
US
thank you
visa.
so much then to our fans over here. Marami pong salamat. Thank you.
Congrats!
Marami pong salamat. Thank you. You may proceed to that side.
Thank you.
Ay, sige, dito na. Yan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Alright, Beanie. Tayo ay magdikit-dikit ulit. Blooms, andito pa ba kayo? Kasama pa ba namin kayo? Okay, let's hear it from the VIP section. From the middle section. And from our friends at the back. Sabay-sabay! Yes! Dahil hindi pa tayo nagtatapos, we have seen them shine. Nakita naman talaga natin silang nag-enjoy, nakipaglaro sa mga blooms here on stage. So let's make this moment unforgettable. Raise your voices, raise your light sticks, even your Akari fans. And for the last time on the Akari X Beanie Meet and Greet stage, the pride of the nation, the icons of passion, talent, and girl power, they will be performing for the last time with us. Let's give it up for Beanie!
Let's go. Stepped out of a movie scene. Feels like you are my wildest dreams. I'll be the queen and you'll be the knight. But don't you think I will speak my mind? Coming out of a fantasy. Make believe in their greatest schemes. I'll cast a spell and you'll do the crime. A match more
think too much. It's just a simple question to fall in love. Out of my head. Can't seem to find keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. My heart's lost all control. Out of my head. Come on, hey, don't walk away. Sometimes what's scary is worth all the pain. Pressure from stone, building like diamonds. I'll be the queen of all of our islands. Be real, be true, be calm. Babe, love can do no wrong. Don't overthink, don't sound on the edge. Practice much more when you're off the ledge. Wanna take time, wanna figure things out. Treat me like the one, show me all the good crowds. Need a role, so we're sorry to tell. Hey, might be known as a can't need the bell.
My mind, my heart ain't trusted. Been a while since you just walked in. Excuse me for being straightforward. You make me wanna lose and start all over.
Tick tock, the clock is ticking. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question to fall in love. Out of my head. Can't seem to find the path ahead. Making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. My heart's lost all control.
Can't help how you race through my mind. Fill my dreams with the sweetest desires.
Didn't think I'd fall in love this way. It's crazy how you make me say. Out of my head. Can't seem to find the path ahead. Carrie, do you want more?
Right after their last song. All right.
Let's go.
You guys know Shaggity Shaggity Shapopo?
What's that? You might be slick, but you ain't slicker than me. You might be 432, but I'm 123. Rotate that body, then touch your feet. Oh my gosh, like OMG. Do my dance, do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance.
Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance.
I bet you can't do your dance. Gusto ako sa'yo na di mo kaya ito. Sisipan ko pa para makagaya ka. Kapag simula na isusundan lang. But I bet you can't dance like this. Watch me snap, now watch me jig. You can't do it like I did. Pop for a rock and drop real quick. Go ahead to the right, then left with it. Rotate the body. Go put in work. Oh my gosh. Who goes down first? Do my dance, do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance. Do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance. Stomp,
rock and snap, she rock and snap the lean. I bet you won't be me. Nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me shaggedy, shaggedy, shop, pop, pop. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shop, pop, pop. Shaggedy, shaggedy, shop, pop, pop. Do my dance, do my dance, do my dance. I can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet I can't do your dance.
Woo! Thank you so much, Akari!
Alright! Palakpakan naman natin one last time. Let's give it up for Beanie! But before anything else, meron tayong babatiin ng happy birthday. And 3, 2, and happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Colette! Blow mo naman yung candle. Ayan. Right. Okay. We are joined on stage, of course, by Sir Gerard Tew. Yes! Thank you so much. She just celebrated her birthday last Sunday. Colette, what is your wish for your birthday?
Wish ko po, sana maging successful and healthy yung Beanie palagi. And thank you, Lord, sa Coachella. Thank you po. Yes, thank you, Akari fam. Thank you.
All right. And of course, maraming salamat and congratulations again for your Coachella dream come true. And as we wrap up this phenomenal celebration, maybe now call on, he already joined us on stage, Sir Gerard Tew from Akari to give us a quick closing remarks.
Maybe we can give them glasses.
Yes, all right. And we'd also like to give them the special Akari X Beanie glasses for this, that we've prepared especially for this celebration.
Thank you po, thank you po. Is everyone having fun? Para mahina, is everyone having fun? Great, great, thank you. I hope that you guys had the best evening. And speaking of the best, we here at Akari have always tried our best to serve the Filipino nation. And when we were looking for the right partner to have this campaign of ours called the #1 Fans Campaign, we didn't need to look far. We thought of Beanie right away as the best representation of Filipino values and a local and international platform. Congrats again to your Coachella.
Thank you.
And of course, we would like to thank our different partners, our valued partners who will join us today. We would like to thank our guests, and of course, we would like to thank you guys, the Blooms, for joining us this evening. So together, let's all raise our glasses. Here's to Akari, here's to Beanie, and here's to you guys, the fans. Cheers! Cheers!
Lantern.
Congratulations, Akari X Beanie. And thank you so much, Sir Gerard. And of course, guys, before we wrap everything up, let's have a group photo with Beanie. So, Beanie is okay? Dyan kayo. Okay, sa baba. Okay, go. All right, of course, to all of the fans at the back, please raise your light sticks, banners, Akari glass, para naman maganda ang ating groupie with Beanie. Alright, thank you so much once again, Beanie and Sir Gerard. Of course, before you leave, any last words, any last message, Joanna?
Yes, sa lahat po na nagpunta, maraming salamat po. Kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung weather. Thank you for making time. And to Akari, maraming salamat po. They've been so supportive of us po. And it's nice to have a partner na naniniwala sa kakayahan namin and grows, di ba? Kasabay namin in every step. Maraming salamat to longer partnership with Akari. Yes. Again, we are Beanie 23. Thank you po.
Yes, thank you so much, our Nation's Girl Group and the historical first Philippine